Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs tour. Today I just want to do a real quick look here at the brand new 2025 Salem Hemisphere 328BH fifth wheel by Forestriver RV. This is a 2 slide out bunkhouse fifth wheel. Comes in about 10,300 some odd pounds dry and just a little under 38 feet long. It's got a lot of cool features to it. We'll step inside here real quick. Let's check this thing out. Then we'll come on back to the outside. But walking up in here, you basically are kind of stepping up into your living room area. So you're going to have a theater seat right here. You have a sofa over here that will make a bed. That refrigerator, very nice 12-volt fridge, pantry area over there. But that pantry, fridge, and sofa are all on one slide out. They have kind of that little woven material on the slide floor. Nice lino on the regular floor. You're going to have a nice big smart TV right here. You got a little seating area right here with a couple bar stools. Bar stools are currently strapped down up on the bed section there. You'll see those when we get up there. You got a mini fridge down here. You're going to have that big oven with the 4-burner gas stovetop. Large microwave. Very nice cabinet setup here. Got that two-tone look. The unit was ordered with 2 ACs. Now back here you have kind of a nice little bunk area for the kids. They did a little bit of storage underneath of this section. Got a ladder that takes you up. There's TV hookups back here if you wanted to mount a TV somewhere back here. You're going to have the upper bunk area and your lower bunk area. Now this lower bunk actually has a button right here that you can push, and it'll actually kind of raise this up and pull it back a little bit. So that you get a little bit more room here at the foot of the bed area right here. But it's kind of a neat little setup right there. It gives you probably, I don't know, maybe an extra 6 inches of room here at this area. Sliding door for privacy. What do you guys think of the colors and stuff in here? Do you like this look of the new Hemisphere product? Now this will probably be one of the last 2025 models that I demo. At the time of doing this video, we're real close to 2026s coming out. So if you are shopping and you're looking for a 2025, be sure to buy it fairly quickly because they are going to be going away soon and the new 2026s will be rolling out. We haven't actually seen all the exact changes and stuff for 26, if there isn't even going to be any at the moment. Usually when they do 26s, there might be a few tweaks to them. So keep an eye out for that. We'll be doing a lot of updated videos here over the coming couple months to get you guys all updated on all the new stuff. Your bathroom area is going to be right here. You have the porcelain commode. You got a pretty good area here for like your linens and stuff. Soft close hinges on your cabinet doors there. Got your skylight up above, AC ducts in here, roof vent in here. Nice big shower area there. Solid surface countertops up here. I like the little backlit mirror setup, very nice. You have on-demand water heaters so you can take those longer showers. Then you're into your bedroom area here. Camper king bed. Window on each side of the bed, those do open. Got some storage underneath of there. There's your bar stools for downstairs. You are going to have, again, second AC up here. They're currently using the Coleman AC. Got TV hookups over there. You're going to have a little dresser area right here. This bed up here also has the VersaTilt bed, so you can sit up in this bed as well. You're going to have a little hidden storage there. Washer dryer hookups here. You can do a combo or stackable washer dryer if you want. A lot of shelf space in here and hanging space. Got your TV hookups again over there. But a very cool little bunkhouse unit here from the Forestriver Hemisphere line here. Also, Hemisphere and Heritage Glen. Same product, runs down the same factory assembly line, built by the same people. They slap different decals on it. So if you like the Hemisphere or the Heritage Glen, you're basically getting the same thing. Again, just kind of different colors, basically. So check those out at whatever dealer you might be looking at. Now back on here to the outside here, again, one piece fiberglass exterior sidewall here, aluminum studded, foam block insulated with the lower aluminum skirting. 2 power awnings with the LED light strips built in, adjustable arms for tilting. Again, you got those squared off frame windows that do have the blinds built in. Very nice heated pass-through storage here. Does have enclosed underbelly as well. Solar charge controller if you do the solar feature. You got a battery disconnect there, light switch for some cap lights. You got the little pet-friendly leash latch holder right there too. Slam lock baggage doors on that door there, kind of held up by a magnetic holder. There's a gas line hookup down here, so you could do a portable grill here. Dual axle, aluminum wheel, drum brakes, easy lube hubs, 4-point auto level jack system. Couple JBL speakers out here. Little mini fridge, little storage area, got motion light going on in there. On around to the back side here, you are going to have a dump hose holder back here. You also have a little 2-inch hitch receiver, which is meant for like a luggage rack or bike rack. It is not meant for towing something behind it. You are prepped for a rear camera. This particular customer actually put a camera on the back of theirs. You can see that up there, but it is prepped for a rear camera. It's also prepped for that portable stow and go ladder by Lippert. Nice ladder that you can get aftermarket. Slide outs. You might consider putting slide out awning covers over top of them. It's a very nice feature. Basically helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. You're gonna have a little dump area right down here. Moving along here, we are going to have, just on the other side here, our power cord right here, detachable 50 amp power cord, your Suburban on-demand water heater, you got your furnace exhausting out here, and another dump area down below. You got kind of a split door over here, so part of it flips up and part of it swings out. Your docking station area right here for water hookups, bypassing cable inlets, outside utility shower, winterization stuff, all right there. The auto level jack controls also right there. You're gonna have right back here some propane stuff, 2 30-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator. Step back here so you can kind of see down the side a little better. Now right here, you're gonna have some very important informational stickers. So you could see this one was 10,293 pounds when it rolled off the assembly line, according to this sticker. 37 feet, 10 inches long. Has a gross weight of 13,985 pounds. Do not exceed that number. Tire size, ST 235/80 R16E range tire with an 80 PSI cold. Extremely important. Keep up with your tire pressure area right there. Nice fiberglass front shell, couple LED light strips built in. It has a standard pen box on the front, so if you decide you want to upgrade to something like, say, that one over there, which is a more ride on that fancy fifth wheel over there, you can do so. Talk with your salesperson about maybe upgrading to trail air, more ride, something like that, if you want to do that upgrade. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. Again, more detailed tours coming out soon on the 2026 products. Be sure to remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Keep up with the new stuff rolling out. Thanks again.